What's up, people? Back out in the garage. But today, I'm not going to be working on the Impala. Got something else I want to show you guys. Picked up recently. It's a Sanborn 60-gallon compressor. I picked up at Menards. It's on sale for $399. Max PSI is 155. At 90 PSI, it's 11.5. At 40 PSI, it's 13.4. 230 volts. It has all the recommended tools to use it with. There's the model number. Now, I was in the market to get a new compressor because I had a little 20-gallon that I've been using, and I needed to upgrade. Definitely takes up a lot of room, but hopefully it'll pay off. Now, I haven't seen too many reviews on this compressor on YouTube, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a little test here for you guys. I'm gonna time it to see how long it takes to get from 0 PSI all the way full. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start the timer. I'm gonna turn it on. Okay, so the max PSI on this compressor stopped at 150 on the gauge. And from 0 to 150, it took a little over 6 minutes. Almost 6 minutes and 14 seconds. So the next test I'm going to do is I'm going to drain some air out of this to see where it kicks back on and how long it takes to fill up from there. Okay, so the compressor kicked back on at 120 and started to refill. From 120 to 150 PSI, it took 57 seconds, 58 seconds. Another test I want to do is how loud this compressor is. Okay, so I got my dB meter over here. It's right around 40. There's no noise. It's about 5 feet away from the compressor. I'm gonna turn on the Sanborn and see what it registers. Now, I know this isn't gonna be real accurate, but it'll give you a ballpark idea of how loud this compressor is. So here we go. And then I got a little 20-gallon oilless compressor down here I'm going to kick on. Let's compare it to. Alright guys, that's a quick rundown of the 60-gallon Sanborn